Now that we've done the fuselage with the detachable cabin, we'll keep this aside. Let's get started with the wing now. The wing, we have to begin with the leading edge from sheet 1. Sheet 1 is here. We already used these parts where it is vacant. There are two edges of the wing, leading edge and the trailing edge. The leading edge is the one that comes on the front of the wing, and the trailing edge is the back side of the wing. This is the trailing edge, this is the leading edge, and the leading edge is the one that is slightly thinner. Now among these two, one of that is slightly thinner, so take that and keep it here. Now to hold it in place, take the pins, normal pins, insert one at the you have to use two pins, one at the each corner, somewhere not at the exact corner, somewhere in between here there is one pin here, and fix another pin here. Now after fixing this, what you do is take the trailing edge, keep it just here, do not pin the trailing edge, just keep it here for reference. Okay, and now we need to take the ribs. These are the ribs, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 ribs are there. 9 ribs of even size, or 9 ribs of the same size. Now this is there in sheet 4. This is sheet 4. Take out the ribs. There are 9 ribs of even size. Just push them out like this. You'll be able to take them out. This we will take later. These are the two sets of rib which are slightly smaller. Now take this one rib and then keep it, don't use the last one, just keep this here. The curved part is the top of the wing, so you should not fix it like this, but the flat part should be on the table. This rib, if you see, there is a flat part and there is a curved part. The flat should be flat on the table, and there is a groove here. Insert the front of the rib into that groove like this. It's the exact size, so it will just go in there. Now when you are attaching the rib, it has to be flat on the table. It should not be like this. It should not be lifting or testing like this. This is wrong. This is again wrong. So it has to be flat. Now use your other finger, hold it, and use this index finger to press it, and the other left hand to press it at the back. And while keeping it pressed at the back, that's how you hold the wing rib in place, and then apply little bit of glue. Wait for 2 to 5 seconds. Yes, now it is attached. Now come to the other extreme. Take another rib. Here again take the last but one. Repeat the same step. Here, insert in the groove here. There is a groove here in this place, and then hold the back of the rib with your other hand, and then apply the glue at the tip. Hold it for 2 to 5 seconds. Let it go. Now it is dry. Now what you do is take the trailing edge. Now these two ribs are already attached. They are strongly attached. Now use them for the reference, and then insert the trailing edge groove here like this. Now hold it flat and apply glue. Yes, now that is done. Now do the other rib here. So hold it for 2 to 5 seconds. Yes. Now you have a reference. Just slot all the other ribs into their place like this, one by one, quickly. Now remember, the ribs have to be flat on the table, otherwise you will have a twisted wing, and the twisted wing will not fly at all. It will fly very erratically. So this is the way it is done. Quickly just assemble the other ones also. Now you have done all the ribs except the extreme two ribs. Now once you've done all the ribs, now attach the last two ribs. This is a bit tricky, that's why we have kept it for last. Attach the front first, wait till it dries, and then apply glue at the back. Yes. Same thing repeated here. Now the front I have glued, and now bring the back side and apply glue like this. Hold it for 2 to 5 seconds. Yes. Now you need to make the upper spar, wing upper spar, that is marked in red color. These are the red color parts, so you need to, and that is there from sheet 3. Sheet 3 is here. The wing upper spar is at the bottom. You can see this. 2 are there. Take one. Just gently just break the attachment. Yes, just gently break the attachment and pull and take that out. Don't rush in this, you will break the entire part if you rush through. So here it is. Now just what you do is gently, there is on each of the rib there is a notch on the top. Now you need to insert this in the notches here on top of the rib like this. It will easily slot. Yes. Now what you do is just apply 1 drop of glue on each place where the top spar is coming in contact. Yes. So now the middle of the wing is done totally. Let it dry for about 10 seconds. Now after you have done this, we need to do the extreme portions of the wing. We will do the extreme edges, this side and this side now. We will take this side first. Again it's the same way. First pin the leading edge and then connect the ribs and then glue the trailing edge. Now the leading edge is from sheet 1. This is sheet 1. All the other parts we have used and the trailing edge we have taken. So take the leading edge and then use 2 pins. Like this, 1 pin on the each near to the corner. Okay. Now take the 2 smaller ribs from sheet 4, here sheet 4. Take the 2 smaller ribs and same way as we did for the wing, insert the front of the rib into the groove notch that is there. Apply 1 drop of glue. Wait for 2 to 5 seconds. Yes, now it is stuck. And then the next one. The last one is always a little tricky. Just hold it straight and against the leading edge like this. Apply glue. Especially the last one here. Wait for the glue to dry completely. Wait for maybe about 5 seconds exactly. Now both are attached. You can see that it is attached, it's not moving. Here it's not moving. Yeah, now take the trailing edge. This is the trailing edge. To differentiate between the leading edge and the trailing edge, just keep it on the plan drawing. It will show whether it is correct part or not. Okay, and now insert it into the groove and glue it. Yes. Yes. And the trailing edge, the last row. Okay. So now we have done that. Now we have assembled the trailing edge and the leading edge. We have to include the wing upper spar, that is the red part. Now the red parts are the one which are not cut to size already. We have to cut them to size, and this is from sheet 3. Sheet 3 is here. Break that, crack that attachment and then take that part out. Now this, as you can see, is bigger than what is required, so take the measurement now like this, keep it, and use the knife and then just make a small mark. Take the part out, keep it, and then now cut it fully. Yes, just cut it and then crack it. Now this is the size we need for this wing extreme side, the right side. Now keep this part on this and then apply glue. One drop here and one drop here. Yes, with that the wing side is done, and same way repeat it here.